Hi everyone, T here with another video for you today, and today we are entering day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, day 5. So today's piece, first of all, piece aside, as you can see, I messed up this recording as well, and yeah, I'm starting here with one stock already masked, I think. So it's not a big deal. Enjoy the rest. Yeah. Anyway, so for today, you can see me here. I was trying to create an interface that I was like more like it works better, it flows better for me, since my focus with this challenge and with Photoshop is to digitally paint over stocks. It's not quite like photo bashing, but it is. It's a mix between photo bashing and concept art and something there around words. You know words? I don't know words. Anyway, so things that are happening right now and I really want to talk about are, first of all, we are, let me check, we are 600 away from, no, wait, what? I was about to say we were 600 away of 25,000. Apparently we already are 25,000 on Instagram, so there's that. But yeah, we are 600 away of 26,000, so go there and follow. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I've been thinking, like, I'm on day 24 now. Today is 25, and I'm considering leaving the 2-hour aspect of the challenge, because I think right now I'm sitting at a position that I already know an interface that really works for me, that doesn't bother me. It's really easy to use, it flows really well with the style of work I do, so I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the techniques I've been using now for like light and shadow and color correction and all of that, so I'm happy there. I think I'm going to call it quits on the 2-hour aspect of the challenge from now on, because like the past 2 days, 3 actually, 3 days, I ended up starting a piece and getting really into it, and when I looked at the clock, the 2 hours just flew by, so I literally didn't care about that and just finished the piece until I thought it was good enough. Like the last 3 days are far from perfect, I know that, everyone knows that, but I think I'm ready to move forward and do like, the idea for this was to do sketches. I always wanted to do a quick sketch, a quick concept from mind to quote-unquote paper, and I think I managed to do that for 23 days, to be fair. And now I'm starting to lack, yeah, I think that's the word. I'm starting to lack the complexity of the piece. Like, I found it sometimes it's a bit not enough. It's not enough, to be honest. Like, I have concepts that I did in this a few of these days that I really love the concept, and the sketch came out great for a sketch, and that was the point. Like, in my opinion, this piece that you're watching right now, it came out great for a sketch. Like, there's a lot of mistakes. I tried to do some photo bashing and plus some matte painting techniques, and I think I did all right for a sketch, and that's okay, and I'm happy with it. But I'm ready now to either go for more complex, like perspectives, or compositions like as a whole, or literally going for a little bit of a better finish to the pieces I'm making. I'm being completely honest, I love every single day so far. There's like 2 days I know I completely missed the mark. Day 9 I think was one of those days that I completely fucked up. But the sketches made me happy. And the 2-hour mark was a really awesome challenge to do. I truly recommend it to anyone that really wants to put every part of the concept art to a test. I completely like go for it, give it a try, do it a week and see what happens, because in my opinion I'm way better now, and I don't want to stop the daily challenge though. I want to keep going daily because that really helps me grow, and I love that. It's one of the only ways I know that makes me get better in anything, like in singing as well. Like if I don't sing for, I don't know, like a week, the first time I sing after that, I can tell I'm rusty. So if you really want to improve, that's one of my biggest tips for you. It's do it and do it over and over and over and over and over. Like there's no other way of getting good or better at something. Sorry to tell the people that really don't, oh, I don't have ideas, oh, I don't know a concept to do every day. It doesn't matter, do the same concept every fucking day. Like, but just create something that really changes the game. In my opinion, maybe I'm wrong, I'm nobody to tell you what to do, but someone told me once, and I think it's an internet quote by this point, 10,000 hours make a master, and I truly believe in that, so put your 10,000 hours and you will be a master, hopefully. So with that said, I think I'm done for this little vlog thing, and I will see you on the next video. And I think on the next video I will try to put a webcam on. I'm not doing the webcam because I do a lot of things on the daily at this hour, like at the time that I usually record, so it's not that easy to do the voiceover because, well, to do the webcam, because usually I look like shit. But yeah, we will see. Okay, if you enjoyed this video or are enjoying this video, leave it a like. Wow, words. Leave a like, give a comment down below, tell me what you think, what do you think I should do with the daily challenge. And there's that. Yeah, subscribe. Okay, my voice is cracking. Fun. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. Okay, bye. Click.